Hello, today we will guide you through how to create your Lovable website fully SEO ready. To begin, open Lovable and go to the Home dashboard. This is where you can start new actions, enter instructions, and manage the setup for your website. If you are already signed in, you should land directly on the dashboard. If not, just complete the sign-in process first, then return to the Home area. Starting from the dashboard is important because it gives you access to the main workspace where your request will be entered and processed. Once you are on the home page, look for the text box in the main workspace. This is the area where you can type or paste prompts that tell Lovable what you want it to create or configure. Take a moment to make sure you are clicking into the correct input field so your instructions go to the right place. When the text box is active, you should see a cursor appear, letting you know it is ready to accept your input. Next, paste the sample prompt into that text box and then press enter to submit it. This prompt is the key part of the process because it gives Lovable the direction it needs to start making your website SEO ready. Pasting the full prompt exactly as intended can help avoid missing details or formatting issues. So if you copied it from another document, it is a good idea to quickly review it before sending. After that, press enter and allow the platform a moment to process the request. As Lovable begins working, be patient while it interprets the prompt and prepares the requested setup. This step may only take a short time, but waiting for the response to fully load will help you confirm that your instruction was accepted correctly. If needed, you can review the output afterward to make sure everything aligns with your SEO goals. That's all there is to this setup process. By starting on the Lovable Home dashboard, selecting the text box, and submitting the sample prompt, you are initiating the workflow needed to prepare your website for stronger search engine visibility. For best results, make sure your prompt is complete and submitted cleanly, since accuracy at this stage helps the platform generate better outcomes.